In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, navigate to the search bar and type for Epson L3110 printer driver and hit the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under Epson.com, which is the official website for Epson printer. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be navigated to this new page where you can see the printer driver itself. So please wait until it would be ready for you first before we continue. Okay, so there you can see Epson EcoTank L3110. All you need to do is you need to scroll down first, and here wait until you can see a drop-down menu where we can select our operating system before we continue to downloading of this printer driver. Once it's here, click on this down arrow key beside it and go with Windows 11 and click on Go to proceed. In a few moments, this page will be refreshed again. Please wait until you can see the printer driver where you can download this one. Okay, so from that, you need to scroll down and there you can see drivers. Click on it and proceed with the printer driver. Aligning to it, you can see there a download option. Please click on it. And in that way, you'll be navigated to a new tab where here it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept. And from that on, you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon, and there you can see the downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cut icon and close the window and paste it here to the desktop to move to move the file here. So click on the paste icon and in a few seconds you would be able to paste it successfully. So by that, the next step that you need to do is we need to extract the file. So you can double tap and in that way you can unzip or extract the file or either make a right click while selecting it and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So wait until this option will be appeared. Once here, go with extract to L3110 and in a few moments you will now start the extraction. Okay, so wait until a new file folder would be created. That would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So in order to install this one, make a right click here at the start, and then you need to scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up this settings window. So from here, please proceed to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. Once you click on it, you need to navigate to this option called printers and scanners. And from here, you would be able to see an option called add device. Click on it and wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait until this window would appear. Go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So choosing a printer port is very crucial. So it is very important to be cautious on selecting such. So please select any of this three USB port, no other than that. It could be one, two, or three. So once you have set it, go with next and click on have disk and you need to go with browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to select on that. And here at the desktop, scroll down and proceed to the extracted file. Please double tap once again, double tapped. And there you can see two drivers. Select any of that two. Go with open and click on the OK button. And in that way, you'll be able to see this one. Go with next. And please try to rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it and leave this Epson L3110 as the printer driver for easy identification. So click on next and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this procedure or this process would be done. Okay, so once done, you can now click on next. Go with finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.